Morning, dear student. Today I will teach you class 9th biology chapter why do we fall in. Today I will discuss about a different types of infectious disease. That means a extra common and supplement reading in your syllabus. That means given only ads, TV, etc. Today I will discuss to you about briefly in about AIDS. AIDS, that means a death warrant. AIDS full form acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This is the first transmission disease HIV virus that is given in this diagram. This is the circular, a single chain like structure, that single stranded RNA. That means the chain of RNA ribonucleic acid is single. Reverse transcription, that means RNA replicate again and again. AIDS is a viral disease which is a highly fatal. The virus responsible for AIDS is a HIV. That means human immunodeficiency virus. It is a retrovirus in while RNA is genetic material. In this disease, the virus destroys the immune system of the person due to the patient become unable to resist the entry of other pathogen in the body. AIDS was first detected in June 1981 in USA. This disease is transmitted from an infectious person to a healthy person through a sexual contact and the blood to blood contact. Sexual contact with the infected person, unsafe blood transfusion, use of contaminated needles or blades or razors and other equipments of barbers means nai and infect a healthy person's. AIDS can be transmitted from the infected mother to her fetus. Their symptom you will appear when you suffering from AIDS, that means HIV. HIV is the first transmission disease of AIDS, that you means HIV. Sweating at night and weight loss, mild fever for a very long duration. हल्का हल्का फीवर रहता है इसमें कंटिन्यूली, जब तक कि आपको पूरी तरह से एकदम कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म में जो है HIV को डाइवर्ट कर लेता है, पूरा रिकवर कर लेता है. Swollen limbs, node and increased count of blood platelets serve the damage to brain, which may be lead to loss of memory, ability to speak. Patient become susceptible to other infectious infection due to the breakdown of immune systems. That is the prevention. That means you can prevent it for this disease. The AIDS prevention is better than cure. That means prevention is better than cure, is the best fit for AIDS. One should take following precautionary measuring. Ask barbers to use new blades. A blood donor should be first tested HIV negative, and then you use only disposable needles and a syringe. Unsafe and unethical sexual contact must be avoided till death. There is no effective treatment for AIDS. Thank you.